How to change Facebook Marketplace location. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Head towards this option of Marketplace. Once you land to the Marketplace page, over here you will find this location. Click on it. Now at the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in city, neighborhood, or zip code of the place that you want to look for in the marketplace. So just type in. Once you type in the place name and search for it, map will appear in this way. After you search for it, you will get this option, suggested local radius and custom local radius. If you want to see the listing from this general area, you can set it to suggested local radius. But if you want to see the listings from specific distance, you can set it to custom local radius. Once you do that, you can click on the option of apply. And with that, you will be able to find the products from that specific area. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily change Facebook Marketplace location. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.